After cleaning my Roomba, it stopped working. First, I get an exclamation point, a red exclamation point here. And when I press clean, it will simply beep. No error message, no vocal or just a beep, and it did not start. So I've checked all the bumpers, all the sensors, and it still did not work. I turned it off, turned it on, turned it on, and it still did not work. So what I ended up doing was shaking it, taking it in my two hands, taking it like this in my two hands and shaking it really hard. 3, 4, 5 times like this, and then I put it back on the floor, and then it worked again. So now, as you can see, when I say dock, it will dock. So shaking it did fix the issue. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.